MBA aspirant, all these students take up nationalized level entrance exams like CAT, MAT, XAT, CMAT and many more. So all these students definitely apply to top branded MBA PGDM institutes of India. Today I am going to discuss about one of the reputed B schools of India, ITM Business School. ITM Business School has 5 campuses for MBA and PGDM program. The flagship campus is the ITM Navi Mumbai campus, which is also known as Kharghar campus. The second campus is in Chennai, third in Warangal. Warangal is near Hyderabad, and the remaining 2 offer MBA program. The Raipur campus, which is in Chhattisgarh, and Baroda campus, Baroda, Gujarat. So the first 3 campuses, Navi Mumbai, Chennai and Warangal, offer PGDM program which is AICTE approved, and the other 2, Raipur and Baroda campus, offer MBA program from ITM University. To know about the fee details, you can connect me in WhatsApp. I will share you the fee structure with complete hostel details and everything. Welcome to apnamba.com. This side Urvashi. We will help you for seamless admission process. Yes, you can WhatsApp me your name and email ID to check your eligibility for ITM Business School. So let's discuss about some of the key points of the flagship campus ITM Navi Mumbai, Kharghar campus. ITM Business School's flagship campus was founded in 1991 and have 28 years of legacy with 13,000 plus alumni network, strong alumni network. As you know, Mumbai is the finance capital of India. Every individual gets highest of the opportunities and you can develop your knowledge and kickstart your career. ITM Navi Mumbai offers 2 years of full-time PGDM program which is AICTE approved and accredited by NAC A grade, and also it's NBA accredited. Course fee for 2 years is 10.45 lakhs. Hostel fees is 2.5 lakhs approximately. Hostel is optional. So the hostel is not too far away from the campus. Bus facility is provided. There is a wide range of specialization like marketing, finance, business analytics, fintech, financial markets, international business, HRM, retail management and marketing, digital marketing and transformation, supply chain and operations management. Now talking about the strong curriculum of ITM Navi Mumbai delivered by top-notch faculties from IITs, IIMs, corporates and who are PhD holders. Here students get 300 plus hours of self-development which is baked in the curriculum. Here also students get live projects by industry experts and core faculties. 80% of the learning is practical and 20% is theoretical. Along with it, students get personalized attention and mentoring from the faculties. Now, inclusive of all, ITM offers 5 months of intensive industry internship, because of which ITM's PGDM program is known as PGDM iConnect program. After your joining, in the same year, in the end of the year, like in November, December, companies start coming to recruit you as an intern, and from the month of April to August, you do your internship for 5 months in top-notch MNCs like Deloitte, TCS, Amazon, Wipro as per your specialization. If you perform well in your internship period, you also get pre-placement offers, and at that time only you can get a placement. That means before completion of second year, students get placed in ITM Navi Mumbai. Moving towards the placement part in ITM Navi Mumbai, 650 plus on campus recruiters come for the placements. Top recruiters includes your Amazon, Accenture, IBM, Wipro, HCL, Deloitte and many more. In ITM Navi Mumbai, average package offered is 8.5 lakhs per annum and highest package offered is 22 lakhs per annum. So if you want to know about the placement details of other campuses or the placements as per the specialization, then you can WhatsApp me and ask me your exact question so that I can help you with the best answers. Now let me tell you about the rankings of ITM Navi Mumbai. It is ranked as 5th in Maharashtra by All India Times B School Survey, top 14th B School of Super Excellence by GHRDC CSR B School 2017, ranked 31st India's top B School by Dalal Street Investment Journal, 8th among the top 75 in West Zone by Times B School Survey 2018, 15th among top 100 B School by Times B School Survey 2018. Inclusive of all, it also offers students a global immersion program, for which if you want to know, you can connect me in WhatsApp. I will send you the details of the global exposure as well. So as I have covered up the major points of ITM Business School and about the Navi Mumbai campus, if you are interested to apply and proceed further with the application part, send me your full name and city name to my WhatsApp number and your graduation percentage. I will let you know whether you are eligible to apply or not, and also will assist you and help you with the application process. To get selected in ITM Business School Navi Mumbai, it's not very easy because they go through MPPI round, which is micro presentation personal interview. Before it, you are given some topics and you have to prepare well, and then you have to give a presentation of 3 to 4 minutes, and if you get selected, you can proceed with the interview round. The application forms are available online. Application cost is 1500 rupees. I will register your name and then will help you how to proceed further. Being an MBA aspirant, students who are appearing and who have appeared for CAT, XAT, MAT, CMAT, apply and who score decent scores in these entrance exams, definitely apply for top reputed institutes of our country like Aegis Somaiya, Wellinkar, Syscom, Chetna, NL Dalmia and ITM Business School. ITM is one of the premier institutes of India. So to apply and to know more about the college, WhatsApp me your full name. I will assist you in the complete admission and application process. Also, if you want to know about any other college of India and need assistance for the admission process, you can let me know. I'll help you with the best possible solutions. If you liked my video and found it informative, hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get the latest GDPI updates of ITM Navi Mumbai and other colleges as well. Thank you.